Good morning, dear students. Today is a very special day, Children's Day, a day dedicated to celebrating you, the bright future of our nation. Each one of you carries unique talents, dreams, and abilities that can change the world. Let me tell you a short story. Once a little boy was walking along the beach. He saw hundreds of starfish washed ashore. The boy began picking them up one by one and throwing them back into the sea. An old man watched and said, "There are so many starfish here, you can't save them all. What difference does it make?" The boy smiled, picked up another starfish and said, "It makes a difference to this one." This story reminds us that even small actions, when done with sincerity, can create a big impact. You don't have to change the whole world in one day. Start by being kind, helpful, and dedicated in your studies. Step by step, you will make a huge difference. So on this Children's Day, I want you to promise yourself to dream fearlessly, to work hard, and to become not just successful individuals, but also good human beings. Always remember, the world is waiting for your light. Shine bright and make us all proud. Happy Children's Day.